Hello and welcome. Today, I'm excited to present my research paper entitled From Classroom to Construction Site, Enhancing the Employability of Malaysian Polytechnic Graduates Through Authentic Civil Engineering Design Challenges. This research is presented at the 9th International Conference on Education, Business, Islamic and Technology 2025. My name is SALIZAWATI Kamaruzzaman from Polytechnic Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Shah Alam, Selangor, Malaysia. Today, we will explore a critical gap in our education system and a powerful evidence based solution that can bridge it. Let's start with the central problem bridging the chasm. Malaysia has a clear national mandate through the CITP and BIM strategic plan to build a world class construction industry. However, our research uncovered a harsh reality. 70% of civil engineering lecturers have never run an industry sponsored project. This disconnect has a direct consequence. We are producing graduates who are knowledgeable in theory but are not industry ready, and this is the chasm we must close. So, what is the solution? Authentic civil engineering design challenges. These are not ordinary assignments, they are complex, open ended projects mirroring real industry scenarios. They include real project brief with genuine constraints like budget and time, the use of industry standard software like BIM, and require professional deliverables such as detailed models and report. Rooted in established educational theories like experiential learning, this method fundamentally transforms students from passive learners into active participants, directly addressing the theory practice divide. To investigate this, our study had three clear objectives. First, to evaluate lecturer perception of graduate readiness. Second, to assess the use and effectiveness of design challenges. And last but not least, and to identify the barriers to their implementation. We employed a robust quantitative methodology, surveying 132 civil engineering lecturers from all Malaysian polytechnics. Using a high reliability questionnaire, the data was then analyzed using descriptive and Pearson correlation. Our findings were revealing. Key finding 1. Lecturer will perceive graduate readiness as only moderate, while technical knowledge is satisfactory. Critical skills like problem solving, understanding industry practice, and BIM proficiency are seen as lacking. This lead to key finding 2, the belief and practice paradox. Herein lies a significant disconnect. While overwhelming 90% of lecturers believe design challenges are highly effective, only 30% use them as a primary teaching method. The majority use them only occasionally. The will is there, but the implementation is not. Now, for our most critical finding, the power of authenticity. Our analysis revealed a strong positive correlation with a highly significant values of R equals to 0.82 between the authenticity of a project and the lecturer's confidence in their creative ability. Let me be clear. This is not just a suggestion. This is quantitative proof. The more real world a project is, with real brief and real software and real client involvement, the more employable our graduates become. And this is the cornerstone of our argument. So, why aren't we doing this? Key finding 4 shows the barrier are not a lack of willingness but are systemic. The top barriers are a lack of structured industry partnership, an overloaded curriculum with no room for deep projects, and insufficient access to software and technology. This is compounded by the fact we saw earlier 70% of lecturers lack direct industry project experience, and the system is not set up for success. This solution, therefore, cannot fall on lectures alone. It requires a multi stakeholder framework. We propose four pillars: strategic partnership, formal agreements with industry bodies like CIDB, moving beyond ad hoc arrangement. Second, curriculum co creation, involving industry directly in curriculum design to ensure relevance. Third, resource sharing, industry providing software access and engineers as mentors. And fourth, faculty development, which targeted training for lecturers to skillfully facilitate this real world project. In conclusion, the evidence is undeniable. Authentic design challenges work, but their potential is crippled by a lack of structured collaboration. Our ultimate goal is to produce graduates who are not just qualified, but truly industry ready. To achieve this, I issue a call to action to all stakeholders, policymakers, mandate and fund collaboration. For Polytechnic, prioritize industry engagement in your strategic plans. Third, industry. Engage as a core educator and see this as a strategic investment in your future talent pipeline. And for my fellow lecturers, to advocate for change and seek out professional development opportunities. This is how we will successfully bridge the gap from the classroom to the construction site. And with that, thank you for your time and attention, and I'm happy to take any question.